Katatapos lang namin pumunta sa Lower Waterfall Trail. Ngayon pupunta kami sa Overlook Trail.
Okay. Oh, may hagdan na naman. Kung may pupuntahan tayo, palagi may hagdan.
Mataas na naman.
Buti hindi natuloy ang ulan.
Oo nga, kumukulog na.
The trail starts out fairly easy, but overall, we rate this trail as moderately strenuous.
Kapag nahulog ka dyan.
During the hike, you will notice there are certain portions with steep drops. After a few minutes,
Pahinga, makakapahinga.
Ay!
Parang hirap na hirap ka. Hirap na hirap ka ba?
Kapagod. Rest. Malapit na kami sa overlook ng falls. Pero nakakapagod kaya pahinga muna kami.
At saka kumukulog at kumikidlat.
after a few minutes, we decide to press on.
Dahan-dahan ka. Mabangin. Kung mataas, may mas mataas pa. Mataas.
Layo pa.
Malayo pa oh, parang andun pa eh. Ano yun?
O ayan na, malapit na.
Lapit na tayo.
Makakarating din.
We would say the hike took about 30 minutes, including our short break. The flow of water is very strong. We could clearly hear the sound it generates from the overlook point. Here we are, full view of Nambe Falls. From the overlook point, you can look down to the lower falls, where people are enjoying the view.
Oh, picture muna. Picture muna. Bago bumaba.
Of course, no trip is complete without pictures, and here is our celebratory tour.
Oh, maulap na. Ayan na ang ulan. Kailangan bumaba na kami. Tatapos lang namin ang Lower Waterfall at Overlook Trail sa Nambe, New Mexico.
Salamat sa panonood.
But before we go, we would like to show you the sights and sounds of Nambe Falls, New Mexico.